Hi, my name is Lauren Talbot, and today we're going to talk about how to make buyers feel right at home when they're looking at your house. We're going to discuss a couple inexpensive tips on how to best prepare your house for sale. So you only have one chance to make a first impression, so you have to make sure that that impression is a good one. If you want to command top dollar and get your house sold quickly in this market, you need to not only hire the best realtor, but you also need to prepare your house for sale and get it ready to go on the market. First and foremost, it might sound silly, but keep a clean house. Vacuum your house, dust your house, clean the bathrooms, don't leave dishes in the sink, don't forget to make the beds. You're trying to sell your house. Make it a showcase. I know it's hard to live that way, but make it look like a showcase every time you leave and have a showing appointment at your house. Fresh smells. Scent is so important, and a lot of times people say, bake cookies for an open house. You don't need to go to that extreme, but make sure that the house smells clean. Take out the trash, clean the bathrooms, don't let the laundry pile up and start stinking. If you have pets, make sure to deodorize that pet smell. Don't smoke in your house. Keep a house smelling fresh when somebody walks in that door. Curb appeal is also key. People, as soon as they drive up to your house, they get a first impression before they even walk up your driveway and enter that front door. So when they drive up, you want to make sure that you've mowed the lawn, the flower gardens are weeded, put out mulch, plant pretty flowers. Definitely, you want to draw people in before they even get out of their car. First impressions matter, like I said, so buy a new welcome mat, put that at your front door. For $10, you can have something new when they walk in instead of the one that you've had there for the last 10 years that's all worn and you can't even read what it says anymore. Hang a wreath or a welcome sign on the front door. Just a little something. People aren't going to know why they like it, but it's just going to make them feel homey as soon as they walk in. So furniture, you don't need to go out and buy new furniture. Use what you already have, but take what you have and maybe rearrange it in your house so that it shows off the space better. Maybe put out a board game so people think, of what they can do in this space. Rearrange the couches so that you have more of an area for talking, and entertaining, something that's going to give it a better flow and make the space emphasize the space too. So if you have an oversized couch, maybe put that into storage and just keep out a smaller couch. Even though it's not ideal for you, it shows the room off better. It makes the room look bigger. Depersonalize. Most realtors are going to tell you this. They all should be telling you this. Put away, I know it's hard, but put away pictures of your family, artwork that your kids or grandkids gave you. Put it away, put away religious mementos. You want somebody to walk in and picture themselves and their family living there, not picture your family living there. Set the table. Simple one, even if you don't usually take your meals in the dining room and you take it in more of an informal setting, still set the table. Put out placemats, dishware, glasses. Put out a nice centerpiece, whether it's a fruit or a flower centerpiece, fake or real, whatever is easier for you to maintain, but put something out there to bring in color and to make people feel that they can take meals with their family in the dining room. Make it a nice space for them. Spa-like feel in the bathroom. That's really nice too. People need to relax after a long day, so bring out some soap, some candles, some new real plush towels. Make it feel like they're at a spa, away from home, at a high-end hotel. Give off that luxury feel in the bathroom in your house, bathrooms in your house. Get a new shower curtain, get a new floor mat, get a new shower liner. Declutter and get organized. So don't leave stuff around. Box up as much as you can, whatever you don't need. Put it in the attic, the garage, or storage just to get it ready for your next house. Empty out your closets. In the summertime, you don't need all your winter stuff in there. Empty it out so that your closet looks bigger instead of crammed. You want it to look more spacious. And put your personal items away. So not just pictures that we already discussed, but make sure that you put away your bills. You don't have mail laying out. Medicine. It's nobody else's business but your own, so put all those personal items away too. And add texture, add color to your space. Drape a throw blanket over your sofa. Put an accent pillow on your couch. put a quilt at the foot of your bed. Just bring in some texture and some color. It's little things like that that make a house feel more like a home. I know none of these items are staying for the new owner, but for some reason when they walk in, they're still gonna feel homey and like that they can raise their family there. Introduce greenery into the house. It doesn't need to be real greenery. Bring in some fake plants. All of these suggestions are rather inexpensive, so for a couple $100s, you can really spruce up your house and get it ready to hit the market and bring buyers into the home and have them feel like it's a home. If you'd like to sell your house or buy another one, reach out to me. You can look on my website, laurentalbot.com, to see some of the services that I offer to my clients, and you can read testimonials from past clients. If you would like, I can also send you a free brochure on how to prepare your house for sale. I'm happy to mail that to you, so reach out to me via email, via my contact me page on my website, or on my cell phone. You can call or text me, let me know your address, and I can mail that on off to you, and then we can sit down when you're ready and get that house on the market. Thanks so much for watching. Can't wait to talk to you next time. Have a great one. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this episode useful. If you have any questions or special topic that you want me to talk about next time, leave me a message in the comments below and I'll make sure that I add it to a future episode. Please follow me on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe below so that you can get more future articles and insights.